Good afternoon, YouTubers and Chevy truckers. I'm in the midst of rebuilding my fuel injector pod and installing some new gaskets on top of the throttle body. I also just installed the fuel pump relay, that little guy right there, no big deal. Also doing the knock sensor underneath. Okay, the knock sensor is on the passenger side, and not easy, man, not easy, because there's no room to get it in there. The socket does not fit it. You can try a 22, it barely fits it, but if you try another size, it just doesn't fit. And the metal is so cheap on the thing that it just rounds off. Hold on, let me get in position here. The metal, here it is. All right, see that white thing right up there? It's right next to the oil pan on the passenger side. You have to move their support arm for the transmission. You just loosen the first one here, that first bolt that goes right there. I'm sorry if it's hard to see, but just take that bolt off and you can push the arm forward to give you a little bit of room to put a wrench up in there. But your sensor is that guy right there. Okay. The problem with is there's just no room whatsoever to get any wrenches, and if you try to put a socket on it, it just rounds off the stupid cheap metal. And you could try to hit it off with a screwdriver and all that, but you got no room to do that much either. So the only thing that worked for me was a large set of vice grips, and you just have to keep working at it. So I used my those big vice grips, the large vice grips, the only thing that I could get in there, and the only way I could do it was to move this arm wherever. I'm sure it's not able to be seen. Yeah, this big bar, this guy right here, that big bar, just move it out of the way, and you can get your vice grips in there, and it just takes time, but it sucks. Ridiculous. Whoever designed that crap, totally ridiculous. It's supposed to be a 22 millimeter, and you could try to use, another American size, but it doesn't fit quite right either. So whatever. Vice grips is all I could do, and it'll come off. So there you have it. Anyway, check out we're doing a throttle body project on this guy, replacing the fuel injectors and the injector pod that holds them in place. Not that hard of a job, but check out our other videos on that. And we got other videos on the air conditioning system I did on this truck. I redid all the air conditioning relating to the condenser. I did a transmission cooler. I did electric cooling fans up in there that are automated to come on at 190 degrees. So all kinds of nifty little projects we've done to this old girl. This is a 1990 K1500 with a 350, and I'm about to put it up for sale. So as soon as I put it up for sale, things start flunking out on it, which is just ridiculous. Whatever. Check out other stuff. We got more projects on this vehicle that may help y'all out. So y'all have a great day. See y'all later.